Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing part 1 of a 2-part wash day series featuring Shea Moisture's Make It Last Wash and Go line, but there is a twist. Instead of doing a wash and go, I'll be doing a twist out. So be sure to stay tuned for part 2 so you can see the final results. But before we get into this video, be sure to subscribe if you haven't. Give this video a thumbs up to support my channel and comment down below if you have any questions. So first, I am starting off with the shampoo. This is a moisture-rich, sulfate-free shampoo that claims to gently cleanse and detangle hair. It is a low lather cleanser, but for me it lathered a lot, but I did like it because the more lather I see, the more I feel like it's cleaning my hair, but that's just my opinion. Also, the key ingredients in this entire line are coconut, kokum butter, and plant peptides. So as you can see, I am finger detangling my hair with just this shampoo, and what's shocking is that it's pretty easy to detangle. I barely had any kind of breakage or knotting during this process. Prior to shampooing my hair was super dirty. I did not do any kind of detangling with the comb or with my fingers prior to getting in the shower, so that's why it's pretty shocking that the shampoo alone allowed my hair to detangle so easily. So this shampoo is supposed to lay down the foundation for a defined wash and go, but like I stated earlier, I am doing a twist out. Overall, this shampoo definitely cleansed my scalp and strands, though my hair felt a bit stripped, but it was definitely what I needed because my hair was in a definite need of shampooing. Next up is the conditioner. This is supposed to soften and defrizz your hair. So before I get into the details of the conditioner, I just want you guys to first see how thick the conditioner is. Like, if there's one thing I can really recommend on Shea Moisture's part of doing is changing the bottle to this conditioner because it is beyond thick. Like, literally, I'm struggling. So after squeezing the life out of this bottle for the conditioner, I went ahead and applied it to the first section. With this conditioner, you apply to clean wet hair, work through from roots to ends, and leave it in for up to 3 minutes. For me, it was a bit longer because once I applied it to each section, I detangled again with my wide tooth comb, and then I showered while it was still in my hair. Now, my overall opinion on this conditioner is that it does need to be in a jar versus a bottle, but aside from that, when I do apply the conditioner, it does soak right into my hair and it has my hair feeling soft. So now I'm just finishing up on this last section with my wide tooth comb, and once I come back to the camera, I will have already rinsed out each section and you'll see how clean my hair was left. Don't forget to subscribe so you can know when I post part 2 of this wash day series using the remaining products from this line doing a twist out. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Go ahead and follow me on my social media listed right here so you can see more from me, and until next time, bye.